Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. I'm Sandra and it is nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we are going to have a closer look in today's video on the Firefly pose, Titibasana. So if you are new to my videos, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and that you follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. What you need for today's practice is 2 blocks, and then I would say let's get on our mat and let's practice. So my feet are almost at the edges of the mat. I root down and I bend forward. So for my feeling, I go into a Uttanasana, forward bend standing pose. Relax here. I bend my legs. And here I shift my weight to the right and I bring my left arm under my left leg. And I do the same. I shift my weight to the left and I bring my right arm under my right thigh. And what I do here is I remain for a moment. I wait and I feel how my thighs are pressing against my arms. So they're really holding it all together. I relax my head and I just feel an upward movement. So it's almost like a Titibasana in standing. And I make sure that my blocks are close to me. Okay, that's a good preparation. And then I bring my blocks a bit more in and I place my hands and now I shift back. So I don't think up. I just shift, for my feeling, horizontally back. And when I do this, buttocks gets a bit heavy and my feet are coming up. So this is Bhujasana, actually a nice preparation to go into Titibasana. The block makes it a bit easier because it gives me a certain height and I relax here. So feeling the weight, feeling my hands. And once again, I make sure that it is really, my legs are pressing against my arms. And now you can do or one leg first, but it is by lengthening the leg that the pelvis goes back that you come up. So inhaling, head is down, and you come up. And then you go back into Uttanasana. And relax. And then you come up again. Like always, I hope that this little insight of mine, shifting the weight and especially using the block, helped you somehow to move forward on your own yoga journey to Tadasana. If so, if you've liked this video, please share it. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be back again next week. So I hope you do the same. Until then, stay safe, take care, and bye for now.